Good morning everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So starting off with EUR-USD as normal, and yesterday we highlighted this flag break. We've come back to test it, and we're lining up quite nicely for a long. So 12700 is the area we're testing at the moment. Grouping of the oscillators is concerning me. We've got a bit of what looking like a crossover as well, so just be cautious with that. But if we look at the hour, you can see we had the pullback onto structure. We did close below it, and we've closed below it again. So obviously what I'm looking for is move up, come back and test it. Now just keep that in mind. You have a trend line at the moment, so ideally I want to see us get above that trend line again as well. So for those of you that are awake and you're looking at this and it's screaming at you, inverse cup and handle, you're very right. There's a cup, there's a handle. Obviously we would need to break below 12700 is the one area, but obviously we need to do the neckline, which is there, 12615. The problem with that pattern at the moment is we've got quite a bit of support below, and we've got a flag breakout which I would expect to retest. So not really convinced that we need to buy off this area here. I'd definitely be looking to buy a little bit lower down, but then we start breaking through structure. But anyway, that's kind of the view that I've got. And what you could also do is just look at your Fibonacci. So take the last move up. So 50, there's 61.8. That would be a pretty good area as well. And you can see there's quite a bit of support to the left there, and that would kind of bring us back onto the flag break. Anyway, I'm looking for longs. That's the bottom line of this. The question is, from where? Are we looking in this area, or are we looking further down? So I will be watching this. We do have a bit of a gap to the upside, and engulfing bar, inside bar. So there's a bit of a double bottom forming here. And the other thing to bear in mind is if we break above there, 129.39, then we definitely have 121.350 on offer. US dollar Japanese yen, interesting one, because if you look at euro USD, the euro is looking to climb, weaker dollar, and you look what happened here. We've been in this channel for quite some time, basically 3 weeks, and now we've broken up above it. Not entirely convinced that we should be worried about a move to the upside. I still think we're looking for shorts, and this area here that we're bouncing off at the moment, 108.380, is the area that I think we need to pay attention to. So just coming down the hour, and you can see we've got moving average crossovers, we've got breakouts of the 155 EMA, we've got breakouts of the trend line, and we've got some structure breaks, some fairly strong structure breaks here as well, over here. So what I'm looking for a double top here, or a triple top. So I want to see us retest this 108.380 once or twice, and then I want that to fail, because then that will give me the opportunity to get into this short to the downside. At the moment, if this level 108.212 holds, and you see we've got the moving averages crossover, it's 155, as this area holds, then I think we're going to get a move to the upside. So right now this is delicate for me. I want to see a second attempt at this. If that second attempt fails, something like this, you can see there was my first attempt, there's my second attempt, and then it failed, and then we kind of didn't really get moving, but we did move to the downside. So could be a trend reversal, or it could be a trend continuation. It's both ways. It can fly both ways at the moment. So I'm going to sit on the sidelines with this one and just watch what happens, hoping for a second retest and failure, and then we'll look at that one. British pound Japanese yen, I gave you this consolidation block yesterday. We've broken above it. We're testing the moving averages at the moment, and that for me at the moment, you can see there's our rounding bottom. We've broken up. I would want to see us come and test this area for it to be a move to the upside, but look what's been transpiring. Above, well, all below the moving averages here, then above, below, and above again. So it could be a bigger trend reversal. at the moment, so you just got to wait and see which way this is going to play out. At the moment it's sideways, so it's a range. It's dangerous as far as I'm concerned. We could sort of get some moves to the upside. I'm just not entirely convinced either way. So this one sit on the sidelines for me. Euro British pound. So yesterday I said to you, this area here is the critical one, 0.87126, and that is the area that we need to pay attention to. Quite a bit of support in here, so it's quite a messy environment. I think let me just take one of those out so we can just see that. I'm going to have to leave the others in because you can see there's a lot of structure at all those levels. So it starts at the bottom here at 0.86406 and it stops at 0.87167. I am still of the opinion that we are rounding here, and this is the big inverse head and shoulders, and it's after a long downtrend, and now we've gone sideways pretty much, and now what we're looking for is an opportunity to break out. That breakout is going to give us a fairly strong measured move to the upside of 0.89602. So with all of that in mind, that is what I'm looking to do. So you can see we didn't really get much of an opportunity yesterday, typical Monday, but this little range that's forming could really be it. I think for me the key is a break and retest of 0.87167. So until that happens, sit quietly and wait for this to happen. If it does come back down to the bottom here, there's still another opportunity to buy further down here at 0.86406. But I think for me at the moment, sideways, sit on hands, wait for it, and I'm actually waiting for a break. And I'll take a break on the hour, so I want an hour, good hour close above there, and then the pull back onto here, and that would be the opportunity to buy into this. Anyway guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.